How to work with ROPEC. Whenever you need to solve a problem or question, you can use ROPEC. ROPEC helps you to remember all the necessary steps to solve the problem in the best possible way. Read and organize. It's important to read the question carefully, then organize the information by writing it down in short. So make use of abbreviations. Then show your plan by writing down the formula or strategy you are going to use. At this point, you don't show any calculations yet. Then you execute your calculations and you find an answer. The final step is to check if you actually found the answer to the question. Let me give you an example. Here we see a question which consists of some text and a picture. Let us read through the text first. John rides on his moped from house to school. He rides with an average speed of 7 meters per second. The distance from John's house to school is 15 kilometers. A. How much time will the trip take? And you need to give the answer in seconds. B. He needs to be at school at 10 minutes past 8. At what time should John leave his house to be on time? So the first thing we do is to write down all the relevant information from the question. We do that at the step Read and Organize. The velocity, v, equals 7 meters per second. The distance, s, equals 15 kilometers. At this point, you can choose to rewrite the kilometers into meters, as it might be handy later on. We need to find the time, t, in seconds, and the time John should leave. The next step is P, plan. In this case, we're going to use the formula v equals s divided by t. Velocity equals distance over time. Because we want to calculate the time, we rewrite the formula into t equals s over v. Time equals distance over velocity. Then the third and final step is execute and check. At this step, we write down all calculations to find the answer. T equals 15,000 meters divided by 7 meters per second equals 2,142.85 seconds. To find an answer to B, we need to divide the total amount of seconds by 60, and then we find that the time equals 36 minutes. So John should leave his house 36 minutes before 10 minutes past 8. So that means that John should leave his house at 34 minutes past 7. Did we answer the question? At this point, just read the questions one more time to check if you did. And yes, we did answer the questions. Now, if it's possible, rewrite your final answer into standard form. We do this for the time we found in seconds. 2,142.85 seconds. In standard form, this is 2.1 times 10 to the power of 3 seconds. With ROPEC, you remember all the necessary steps to solve a problem. This comes in very handy, as on a test, you need to show each step. So make sure you know what ROPEC stands for, and remember using it every time you need to solve a physics problem.